Friends, speaking English is an art and it can be learned by practice. Yes, guys. As you know that without speaking any language, no anybody can speak. This is not matter of only English language. This is matter of each and every languages. So, if you want to speak perfect English, if you want to speak well English, if you want to speak English with confidence, there need to practice. Yes, guys. Practice makes a mind perfect. Without practice, no anybody can speak any language. So, if you want to learn good English, if you want to learn fantastic English, if you want to learn well English, so there's need to practice. Practice always you have to do. This doesn't matter that person try to practice only for some days. No, this is not matter of only some days. This is matter of many days, many months, and sometimes many years also. So it's depend on you. What is your capacity? It's depend on you. What is your power of tense the sentences, power of speaking. So if you want to speak, so there's need to do practice. So you should try again and again. If you are unable to speak, no mention. So in starting, if you are beginners, so try to speak. In starting, you can speak the words by Haskar, Atakar, as you wish. But don't give up. Never give up. But you should try to speak. Yes. If you will try to speak, I know that you can speak perfect in English. But that time there's need to courage. There need to patience. Some people lost the patience because they do the practice only for some days, only for some months. After that, when they are unable to speak, they reject it, they give up. So this is not good. Means if you will be busy, if you will continue, if you will with consistency, you will do practice. No, one day will come that you will speak confident English, you will speak fluent English, you will speak English in full swing. So without practice, you know that no anybody can achieve anything. If you want to achieve your goal, if you want to crack the interview, there's need to English because each and every interviewer asks the question in English. You know, without interview, I think that you cannot get good jobs. No anybody is perfect in this world. There is lack something or the other inside every person. If you are thinking that one day I will speak confident English, one day will come that I will speak fluent English, that day will never come. Yes, guys, that day will never come. So today is the better day for you. Today is the best for you. If you want to learn English language, if you want to speak English language. So today is the best day for your life. So you should start from today. So don't pretend that tomorrow I will start, the day after tomorrow I will start, next month I will start. Like this. This is only pretense. If you keep on pretending, so you can't do anything. So give up the pretense and start speaking English. What is your condition? It doesn't matter, but you should try to speak. Don't think about your condition. So thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. If like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel.